Hi friends, today we are going to discussing about ordered topology. Okay, so let X be an ordered set. Okay, X be an ordered set. That means this is completely ordered and or linearly ordered. Ordered set means ये completely ordered है या फिर linearly ordered है, not partially ordered. Okay, then that means we can compare any two element. Okay, by the relation. Okay, देखो if x y I take in two element that is x y from the x capital X order set, then x is not equal to y, then either x is less than y or y is less than x. Okay, this is the order relation. अगर कोई भी दो एलिमेंट लेता हूँ, कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ बाय द ऑर्डर रिलेशन. ओके, सो दो एलिमेंट लूंगा तो इफ दैट इज नॉट इक्वल टू, दैट टू आर नॉट इक्वल, देन we can say that x is less than y or either y is less than x. Okay, then x is less than x that does not hold. Okay, x is less than x इधर hold नहीं करता. Now let's take for the transitivity. Okay, transitivity, that is if x less than y. Okay, if x less than y and y less than z, if x less than y and y less than z, then x less than z, x less than z. This is the transitivity condition. So this condition, so that there is a complete order set. Okay, this is so that complete order set. Okay, now in real number. Okay, in real number R, so intersection of two basis element, that is either basis or empty. Okay, we know that intersection of two basis element either basis or empty. Now we have the collection as x we on order set. Okay, x एक order set है. Then we have the collection V, that is जो basis लेते हैं V. Okay, we have the collection B, script B. Okay, this is the basis. So this content collection क्या होगा, कौन सा एलिमेंट होगा, like open set xy. This is all open interval. Okay, sorry, this is all open interval such that means open interval x less than y and xy belongs to x. Okay, this is open interval. Okay, this is open interval. That means if let z be the element of x, capital X. Okay, then such that क्या हो जाएगा, there is x less than z less than y. Okay, मतलब B with the basis which contain open interval, all open interval like this xy, such that x is less than y, that is x is less than y, here x is less than y, then and xy belongs to x. So if there is an element z from x, then x less than z less than y, that means z कहाँ रहेगा, in between x and y. Okay, next also contain, that is let's okay spiritual. So also contain, so here union. Okay, union, so that contain x naught and y. This is half open. Okay, half open. This is x naught y. This is half open interval. Okay, I can say this is half open interval. Half open interval. Okay, see, this is half open interval. Now open interval contain करता है V. Okay, collection of open interval union means collection of half open interval. Say that here such that x naught belongs to y. Sorry, x naught is less than y. X naught is less than y. If x has a smaller element. Okay, here x naught is the smaller element of x. If x has a smaller element x naught. Okay, if x has smaller element x naught, that means x naught is the smaller element of x. Okay, then the x naught and y, this is the half open, that means including x naught also included. Okay, x naught included होगा and y से less होगा, that is if we take z. Okay, z belongs to x. Okay, z belongs to x, that implies क्या हो जाएगा, or such that x naught is less than equal to z less than y. Okay, मतलब x naught is less than equal to, x naught may be less x naught less than z equal to z, or y from z is less than y. Okay, so this is second one. Now this contain all the this kind of interval. Okay, now next one. So B also contain, or the collection, that is union. It is union. Okay, union. So x y naught. Okay, x y naught. This is also half open. This is also half open. Okay, that is half open. So such that x is less than y naught, where x, okay, where x y naught belongs to x, and y naught is the largest element. Okay, y naught is the largest element of x. So we can say if x has largest element that is y naught. Okay, x का अगर y naught largest element y naught है, that means x less than y naught, and x y naught, this is half open interval, is kind of ये जो type का है. Okay, that also contain B. Okay, that contain B, strip B. Then okay, then ये जो collection है, तीन थ्री टाइप का collection है, in collection then हम we say that B is a basis, okay, and which generate order topology. Okay, B is the basis which generate basis, which generate order topology. Okay, we generate order topology. So this is the definition of order topology. That means if let x be a, okay, overall, okay, x be a order set, okay, order set ले लिया, then B be the collection of all set of where all open interval, that is x y, all open interval, and all interval form x0 y, all interval in the form of x0 y, where x0 or x0 is the smaller element of x, and also x y naught, that is where y naught is the largest element of x, if any. Okay, so the basis B, okay, be the basis which generate the order topology. Okay, be the basis which generate order topology. Okay, this is the definition of order topology. Okay.